Danganronpa.
Ok ljudi, Kuky ovdje i evo prve epizode mog let's playa. Igrat ću Danganronpa 2, Goodbye Despair. Jedinicu sam već gledao playthrough, pa iskreno nisam imao nekakvu volju za igrati. A i pogledao sam anime koji postoji i sad zapravo na ljeto izlazi trojka. Tako da je bilo dobro vrijeme da se uhvatim dvojke i da popratim šta zapravo se dešava u dvojci. Jel, ne znam kako će iskreno izvesti trojku u animeu ako dvojku nisu animirali. Pa idemo vidjeti kako igra izgleda. Uzet ću English audio zato što mi se iskreno ne da čitati ili nešto, pa bolje da ne bude na engleskom. A mislim, iskreno volim više sub, ali zbilja želim vidjeti kako su napravili dub za ovaj dio, jer prvi dio su jako dobro obradili, gledao sam kako su dub napravili, tako da uzet ću English. Čuo sam da treba igrat na kind, ako se prvi put igra, jer je mini jednostavno preteško. Čak su neki preporučavali na gentle, ali kind je najbolje.
Hey.
Okay.
Can you hear me? Are you okay?
Da,
You
jel
seem
to?
pretty out of it.
Liči mi dosta na Naegi, ako se ne varam, iz prvog dijela, već dugo nisam igrao ili gledao, tako da se ne sjećam najbolje imena.
To be honest, I'm also... No, everyone else feels the same too. Since we suddenly got put in this weird situation.
Ok, kako situacija?
Hey, are you listening?
Wow. Ok. Opa, malo previše mislimo. Ok, što se desilo? Zbija. To zapravo bio je intro. Ok. Ok, znači tako izgledamo. Zapravo nije loš dizajn. Iako mi se Naegi iz prvog dijela više sviđao, ali možda je ovo Naegi na kojeg smo sad naišli. Hope Speak Academy, opet. Ne znam li bi trebao čitati ovo, zapravo moj lik govori, tako da bi mogao čitati, nije problem. It recruits top students from every imaginable field to inspire hope, and in doing so shape the future. Whenever Hope Speak Academy is mentioned, it's only a matter of time before someone says, if you come here and manage to graduate, you'll be set for life. And just so you know, that's not a joke or an exaggeration at all. Many of the current leaders of various industries are actually alumni of this school. Well, that's basically what Hope Speak Academy is all about. As they say, it's truly the Academy of Hope. Naegi je bio The ultimate hope, ili kako već su oni to nazivali. There are two criteria you must meet in order to attend this school. 1. You must be a current high school student. 2. You must be the very best at what you do. Unlike other schools, there aren't any entrance exams at this academy. The only way to get in is if the school scouts you itself. That is how Hope Speak Academy operates. To je zapravo sve što smo naučili u jedinici. Now, because of the talents of those who are chosen, the students of Hope Speak Academy are called ultimates. Pa da. But even though I'm finally going to Hope Speak Academy, the school I desired more than anything else, the truth is my circumstance is a little different than that of my peers. Da, doslovno isti ko Nagi. Well, I guess I can put that aside for now. You'll find out soon enough, and it's nothing special worth talking about, I think. Anyway, I guess I should introduce myself first.
I'm not so special that I have to introduce myself.
Napokon nam priča sam.
It's a little embarrassing. Well, this is what's expected. I guess that's how I should think about it.
Okay.
My name is Hajime Hinata.
Hajime Hinata. Ok, Hinata je fora ime, iako sam ga više puta vidio u ženskom formatu, kako bi rekao.
There's only one reason I came to Hope Speak Academy. Because I admired Hope Speak Academy.
Što si ti ultimate admirer?
To me, attending Hope Speak Academy is like being a celebrity or a superhero.
Okay.
In fact, instead of calling it admiration, it's more like it's always been a dream of mine.
Nice.
That's why, to feel like a member of society, to become someone I can be proud of. I always wanted to.
For that reason alone, I always, I'm not gonna read this. Until now I never wanted to admit how painfully ordinary I really am. That's why hope. I might have admired talent, individuality, but I have finally, forever tried my best. Finally came true. Huh? What is this? It's a door. There's a door. Still, I need to hurry, because I need to go inside this classroom. Need? What need? No, I should hurry. Okay. Zanimljivo. To je znači naš razred. Joj, ne znam kako se sad ovaj zove. U biti ovaj debeli, onaj... Joj, iz prvog dijela sad se ne mogu sjetiti imena, napisat ću baš u video. On iz prvog dijela, ne znam što on tu sad opet radi. Okay.
Are you feeling all right? You look quite pale. Hey, could you be... You're also a freshman at this school, right?
Then you're all...
See for yourself. We're all freshmen too.
I assume freshmen like us have been gathered in this classroom.
Oh, nice. Okay. Wait, why am I being so polite? I know they're called the ultimates, but they're still high school students like me. That's right, first impressions are crucial in moments like this. I need to act more confident. Thus, to hide my nervousness from the others, and while trying my very best to act cool. I stepped inside, closed the door behind me and sat in an open seat at the back of the classroom. Anyway, what just happened earlier? I wanted to be here and then a classroom door appeared right in front of me, as if I was drawn to it. But how did I walk to this classroom? I don't remember. Something's weird. Wow. Excuse me. Opet. Te face.
It's all clear now. Such ignorance.
Wow, wow. Da, uvijek sam njega opušavao u prvom dijelu. Znači, niko se od njih ne sjeća kak je došao tu. Zanimljivo.
I see. Very strange.
What's going on? Hey,
Wow.
So in
Trigger
other
je.
words, naturally. So in other words,
What is it? It feels like this is going to get even stranger. Whoa.
So what I mean is...
what's that mean?
Zanimljivo.
Impossible!
Ok, ovaj paničari. I watch him rush over to the door and try with all his might to pull it open, but... Nice.
Huh?
Huh?
A little while after I got here, I tried to leave to go take a shit. Wow.
Hey, hey!
Sheesh.
What? Anyway,
Šta ne bi oni trebali nekakve glasa ili bolje govoriti to što piše. Možda nešto u opcijama trebam pogledati, provjerit ću. Locked inside. What do you mean? I suddenly became aware of how heavy my body felt. As thought a feeling of unspeakable dread began settling on my shoulders.
Are we screwed? This is...
however,
But...
that's wrong.
what?
Hey, bastard!
To može znam monokuma.
Huh? Perhaps. Hello?
Oh, cinematic. Nice. ženski monokuma.
It looks like a stuffed animal.
That's right. I am a squeezably soft stuffed animal.
Napokon priča.
Magical miracle girl Usami, aka Usami.
Jo, ako da gledam Madoka Magica.
I may not look
Usami.
like it,
Okay.
but I am your squeezably soft teacher.
Da.
Nice to meet you all.
Squeezably soft, okay.
Huh? What's going on?
Huh?
Chihuahua.
Everyone.
Da.
Stop talking. Come on.
Leave it to me.
Very nice. School trip.
What did you say?
Aha, znači tako su došli do otoka.
Come on.
Ding, ding, ding.
Wow, već idemo. Nice.
Huh?
Ok, ovo je dobar OST u pozadini. What appeared before me instead was blue sky, white clouds, blue sea, white waves.
The hell is this?
No matter how I tried to rationalize it, it was abnormal, clearly unreasonable, utterly crazy, blatantly wrong. Krasno.
Are you kidding me?
Emergency! Why? Everyone.
A sviđa mi se kako se smije.
Hold on.
Za sad se ne čini toliko strašno, taj Usami. Monokuma je bio dosta creepy od samog početka. Predobre kak se smije.
Something like this.
No problem. Hold on a sec. I see. Alrighty.
Bastard!
Come on.
Ooh. No problem.
Hej, kaže da...
Wait!
Wow. Ok, onda je nešto na... Kako vidim sad, nešto tipa jedinice, gdje su ih zapravo zatvorili u školu da ih spase od vanjskog svijeta. Ovdje ispada da su na otoku.
Could it be?
Wow! Ovo mi se sviđa. Je to zbilja na Egi? To stvarno ima dobre predosjećaje. Ok, ovo je dosta antiklimaktično. Nisam očekivao da će biti ovoliko različito od Monokume.
What did you say?
Te njegove face.
That's right. Yippee-ki-yay! Let the heart-throbbing school trip begin.
My mind ground to a halt. Ooh, het opening. Nice. Muzika je zapravo dosta dobra, sviđa mi se. Sad nisam uspio vidjeti ime od ovog lika, malo je prebrzo bilo, htio sam vidjeti je li zapravo isti onaj lik iz jedinice. Nice, zapravo je dobar opening, sviđa mi se. Yes.
Hey,
Ok, i to bi bilo to za intro epizodu, a sljedeću ću izbaciti uskoro. Vidimo se u sljedećem videu. Bok!